before knowing linear equations, first we should know about the expressions. Expressions means the numerical along with variables. If I write 2x, 3y square, 4z, okay, these are expressions. When they will become equations? When we equate the expression with any other numbers. If I take 2x as 2x plus 7 is equal to 10. If I write in equating the expressions with other numbers, then it becomes equation. Okay, like that. If I take here 3y square equal to 9. 3y square equal to 9. Then it also becomes equation. But our chapter, what is it says? Linear equations in one variable. Okay, so in these two equations, which is linear equation? The linear equation in one variable, which is that if having only one variable. See here, x is only one variable. But here y into y, that is y square, and having two variables. In the shortcut we can say the power of the variable should be 1. So here our power of a variable, or else you can say degree. Degree is only 1. It is x power 1. Here y power is 2. So whenever we are getting power of variable is 1, that we can say it as linear equation in one variable. Then how to solve this expression? So here I take this 2x plus 7 equal to 10 is there. Okay, take 7 that side. Means here is addition. If I take that side, it becomes subtraction. So 2x equal to 10 minus 7. Okay, so 10 minus 7 is 3. Here 2x is there. 2x means 2 into x. So here taking 2 to that side. See here 2 is multiplying. If I take to right side, it becomes division. Okay, so x value is 3 by 2. This is our solution for this equation. So like this we have to solve. Let's take another one example. How to solve this equation? So here I have to 3x minus 7 equal to 20. Okay. So let's take this 7 to right side. It becomes 3x equal to 20 plus, because here it is minus. Minus becomes plus on right side. So 20 plus 7. So here 20 plus 7 you will get 27. Okay, so here 3x is there. So if I take 3 to that side, it becomes division. So see here 3 ones are 3 9s are. So x equal to 9. This is our solution for the given equation. So how to check it? How to recheck this one? So we use this x equal to 9 in this equation, just to substitute in the place of x. So it becomes 3 into 9 minus 7. See, 3 9s are, how much you will get in? 3 9s are 27 minus 7. So 27 minus 7 we will get here 20. So which is equal to our answer. So by this we can recheck the answer. Let's take another one example from your textbook. Here they given 15 by 4 minus 7x equal to 9. Okay, keep variable this side only. Take this fraction to your right side. So here you will get minus 7x equal to 9. See, here 15 by 4 will goes to the subtraction. 9 minus, because here it is plus. So it becomes 15 by 4. Okay, see, here 9 is there, it is in whole number. So let's make it into rational means 9 by 1 in fraction. So 1 and 4 are in denominator. Take the LCM, that is 4. So 1 and 4 LCM is 4. So 1, 4 za 4, 1 za 9 4 za 36 minus 15. 15 1 15, 15. So if you subtract, here you will get 6 minus 5, that is 1. 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 21 divided by 4. Okay, still we need what the value of x. So here if I take to 7 that side, it becomes what? That becomes divisible. It becomes 1 by 7 or else divided by 7. So here minus is there, here plus is there. If I divide it, it becomes in minus. So 7 1s are 7 3s are. So our answer will be minus 3 by 4. So your x value is minus 3 by 4. So this is the solution for given equation. Let's start exercise 3.1. In first question, x minus 2 equal to 7. Here we have to find the x value. It's very simple. Here minus 2 is there. Take to the right side. It becomes x equal to 7. So minus becomes plus. So plus 2. So x equal to 7 plus 2, that is 9. This is the answer. So try to do this one. So here y plus 3 is there. Equal to 10. So take plus 3 to right side, it becomes minus. Y equal to 10 minus 3. So y equal to 10 minus 3, here we get 7. So y answer is 7. Next, 6 equal to z plus 2. Okay, what we need? We need z value. Okay, let's take 2 to left side. Okay, if I take here plus 2 is there, if I take to left side, it becomes minus. So 6 minus 2 equal to z. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So z value is 4. Z value is 4. This is the solution of our equation. Similarly here, it is in fraction. Okay. So take 3 by 7 to the right side. So x equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. X equal to, here denominator are same, so no worry about taking the LCM. So denominator is same, that is 7. So 17 minus 3, that is 14. Okay, 14 by 7. See, both numbers in same table, that is 7 ones are 7 twos are. So better way, divide it by 7. 7 ones are 7 twos are. So our x value is 2. Okay. Next, here 6x equal to 12. So what to do? Take x that side. See, here 6x means 6 into x. Okay. If I take 6 to that side, it becomes divisible. So x equal to 12 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So our value x equal to 2. X equal to 2. So if you are having the doubt why I am not writing the 1 at denominator, so it's okay if you write 2 also, because 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Okay. So next, here t by 5. So what we have to do here? 5 is dividing. If I take to right side, it becomes multiplication. So it becomes multiplication. So t equal to 10 into 5. That is our 10 5s are 50. So t value is 50. Now in 7th question, here 2x by 3 equal to 18 is there. Okay. 2x by 3 means this here dividing. So if it is divided, if I take to right side, it becomes multiplication. So 2x equal to 18 into 3. Okay, so here you can multiply it and you will get the answer. For that answer, you have to divide by 2, or else directly take 2 that side. Here 2 is multiplying by 2x means 2 into x. Okay, if I take 2 to that side, it becomes 18 into 3 divided by 2. Okay, now 2 ones are 2, 9s are 9 3s are, you will get here 27. So x value is 27. Okay, so it is all about dividing the terms. Next, here 1.6 equal to y by 1.5. So here y by 1.5 means here it is dividing. So if I take to the left side, it becomes multiplying. So 1.6 into 1.5 equal to y. Okay, so here you having the confusion how to multiply the decimal numbers. So just you ignore these two decimals. Consider it as 16, consider it as 15. So multiply them. 16 5s are 80. Carry 8. 16 ones are 16. 16 plus 8. It becomes 24. Okay. Now consider the decimals. Here after one number you have the decimal point. Here one number, here one number. Totally how many? Two numbers. So now put the points in the answer. So 1, 2. After two numbers, put here point. So our answer is 2.4, or else you can say it as 2.40 also equal to y. So our y value is 2.40. Next, here in ninth problem, 7x minus 9 equal to 16. Okay, take minus 9 that side, it becomes 7x equal to 16, 9 becomes plus 9. Okay, 16 plus 9, 25. Okay, here 7x means 7 into x. So if I take 7 to right side, it becomes divisible. So our x value is 25 by 7. Okay, so if it is divisible by 7, you can divide it or else write it in fraction form. Next, 14y minus 8 equal to 30. So take 8 that side. So it becomes 14y equal to 13 plus 8. It becomes 13 plus 8, 21. So here 14y is there. So if I take 14 that side, it becomes divisible. 21 by 14. So in which table you will get both numbers? 7 3s are, 7 2s are. So divide it by 7 2s are and 7 3s are. So here y equal to 3 by 2. This is our simplest form of y. So y equal to 3 by 2. Now in 11th problem, 17 plus 6p equal to 9. Okay, keep variable this side only. Take 17 to right side. That becomes 6p equal to 9 minus 17. Okay, is it possible to subtract 9 minus 17? No, but it is easy to subtract 17 minus 9. Okay, 17 minus 9 means how much? 8. Okay, which 8? It is minus 8. Why? Here 9 sign is plus. If there is no sign means there is plus. Plus and minus. We are having opposite side. Whenever we have opposite side, that time we have to make the subtraction from the bigger number and keep the bigger sign, that is minus 8. So still here 6p is there. Okay, 6p means 6 into p. So take that 6 to right side, it becomes divisible. So minus 8 by 6. Okay, minus 8 and by 6. 8 and 6 in which table? Both are there in which table? 2 table. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. Divided by 2 by 2. So here we will get p equal to minus 4 by 3. This is our answer. Next, coming to the 12th problem. Here x by 3 plus 1 equal to 7 by 15. Take plus 1 to right side. That becomes minus. So x by 3 equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. Okay, so here 1, it is in whole number, so write it in fraction. So 1 becomes 1 by 1. So taking the LCM of 15 and 1, because denominators are different. So that is 15. So 15 ones are 1, 15s are. So 7 minus 7 ones are 7, 1 15s are 15. So here we will get 7 minus 15. Is it possible? No. Both are opposite side. So better way, 15 minus 7, that is 8. Which 8? That is minus 8 divided by 15. Okay, here x by 3 is there. Okay, by 3 means here it is dividing. So if I take to right side, it becomes multiplication. So x equal to minus 8 into 3 divided by 15. Okay, so check anywhere we can divide the numbers. Yes, 3 ones are 3 5s are. So divided by 3 ones are 3 5s are. So our x answer will be minus 8 into 1